Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am here with a flip through of my old time Christmas folio. I made this for my kids. This is the first one that I've finished. I've got two more in the works. But I wanted them to have a place to keep our Christmas traditions and recipes and things like that. So that's basically what I've done here. I've used the kit Old Time Christmas by Artie Mays. I have the full-size journal kit add-on and the TN kit that I have used in this folio. So here I've just got one of the background pages. Well, let me start with the size is 9 by 6. The spines are 1 inch on either side, and I have wrapped the entire thing with craft cardstock. Here I've got a background piece from the kit, a couple of pieces of the journal cards and some of the ephemera. This is a headband, and I liked it because it was kind of craft color. I've taken a piece of seam binding and tied a bow on there for a simple closure. I wanted to be able to take it completely off and not have ribbons laying around if they're going to be using this in the kitchen. So we will open this up here. Here firstly I have a tuck spot in the back, and I've added a large journal card. I believe that's Silent Night in German. And I have a couple of journal pages here that I've added to the top here. May your Christmas be merry. There we go. Just a simple pocket here, and I've got a tag with seam binding ribbon at the top and another journal card here. This actually, make sure I'm in the center here, this is actually a pull-out. I have left this page and this page blank with just a mat for sliding in and out of the pocket, but they can add a recipe, they could add a memory, they could add a photo, whatever you want there. So that just slides in and out of this pocket. So on this side I've got just a corner tuck, and I've added a couple of tags here. These are all from the kit. And when you open that up, I've got one of the larger journal cards that I've turned into a tuck spot, another piece of music, and another journal card. This is a funny Santa. I've not seen this one before, but yeah, interesting how Santa has changed over the years. I've got a pocket here with a couple more tags in it, and plenty of space to write on the back. Oh, I need to ink this one on the back. Set that aside so I don't forget. And then this one will flip over, and on this side I've got a side pocket here, and inside the side pocket I have another piece for writing on. Just says Merry Christmas. Very cool. That fits in the pocket. I've got another journal card. This one says we wish you a Merry Christmas, and another Old Time Santa. I've added 2 pockets from the kit. This one has one of the little ephemera pieces. I've just taken a little tiny 1-inch clipping of the grosgrain ribbon trim, tucked that in here. Also, here's another one with some bells on it. Basically just adding that so that you can get it out of the pocket, and it doesn't get lost inside. Over here I've taken 2 envelopes from the kit. This is on the last, the third fold there. The 2 envelopes fit perfectly on this page, and I've just added some Velcro to it. Inside I've got some 3x5 cards that have been coffee dyed that I've added to the pockets. And I've done that on both pockets, just 3x5 cards. And you flip this open. I'm going to run out of room here. I have this double envelope here that it's a fold out. There is a card inside this envelope, and then inside this envelope I've got a couple more cards here, and that just closes this way, and then there's that left. Because I glued it on 3 sides, I've got a little tuck spot over here. Another piece of ephemera at the top with just some ribbon. And then in the middle I have the waterfall feature. I have just used one of the journaling, I used two actually, 2 of the journaling pages to mat this. I did not mat the top, but I used just the writing papers to mat the bottom portions of the waterfall. I thought about tying a ribbon around it, but it was laying so good that I didn't worry about the ribbon, and I knew I was going to need a ribbon over here to keep this journal on. And this is the TN version of this kit, and all I've done here is just the I think it's 8 pages from the kit and the coffee dyed paper. So I'll just flip through there real quick and show you. These are beautiful images, so I didn't really need to do anything to this. I've just inked around the edges a little bit and added a piece of coffee dyed paper in between. I used the Merry Christmas for the centerfold. I did use a piece of, what do you call this stuff? Elastic cord. That's the word I'm looking for. However, I think I'm going to have to replace this because it's pretty thin. So I'm going to go get some of the thicker cord, elastic cord, to put in here. But in the meantime, this will work, and these will be able to be removed from the book for easier writing, or to add and take away pieces as well. That just slides under the elastic, and I've just attached the elastic. I've got 2 eyelets there holding this on, and then I've just tied this closed with the bow. So this was really fun. I appreciate you guys being patient with me while I was putting this all together. But yeah, so let's see. I have to remember this goes this way, and then the book goes this way, and this way, and this way. And then we will just take the closure and put it on this way. So there we go. That's my version of the Old Time Christmas Folio. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.